Introducing the 2023 Flame Aroma Diffuser Air Humidifier, a captivating blend of elegance and innovation. With its cutting-edge ultrasonic technology, this device redefines the art of relaxation and ambiance in your home. Crafted to perfection, its ultrasonic cool mist maker delicately hydrates your space, leaving you enveloped in tranquility. But that's not all. Immerse yourself in the therapeutic benefits of essential oils. The LED lights, synchronized with the mist, mimic the flickering glow of a real flame, setting the mood for moments of peace and rejuvenation. With its versatility, it's not just a diffuser, it's a work of art.